Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to use focus mode on your action button on iPhone 15 Pro. For that you need to open your settings and scroll down to reach the action button. Choose the action button and scroll toward right and select the focus mode. Now your action button is work as focus mode. While you pressing the action button, the focus mode is turned on, and you can also turn off focus mode using action button. By doing this, you can use focus mode on action button. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.